The Volkswagen Beetle hasn't been sold in the US since 2019, when the final edition marked the end of the new Beetle's revival. A shame, really. But did you know there's a company in China building its own Beetle-inspired EV? And now, it's getting a little bit better. The oddly named Aura Ballet cat looks like a modern interpretation of the original Type 1 Beetle, blending retro styling with modern technology and a slightly svelter shape. It debuted in 2022, but it's a pretty niche model, with Aura only selling a few thousand examples each year. Pricing starts at around 193,000 yen, roughly $28,000. For 2026, the company is hoping to attract more buyers with some updates beneath the skin. The biggest change is a new electric motor that replaces the previous unit, which made just 169 horsepower. According to China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology (MIIT), as reported by Car News China, the updated Ballet cat now makes 201 horsepower. The upgrade also increases its top speed from a modest 96 miles per hour to a more respectable 112 miles per hour. Power comes from a new lithium iron phosphate battery pack. Beyond the powertrain updates, not much changes for China's quirky Beetle knockoff. The Ballet cat still comes loaded with unusual features, including a large vanity mirror to help women apply makeup on the go and a selfie camera that can upload photos directly to social media. There's even a warm man mode that quickly heats the cabin with the push of a button. Unfortunately, there's little chance the Aura Ballet cat will ever make its way to the US market. But that doesn't mean we've given up hope that Volkswagen might eventually bring back the Beetle in some form.